Sisi, Karenga enjoys the peace that through your wise leadership to disarm all the armed warriors, we are enjoying all the peace that resulted from the disarmament exercise. The people of Karenga are grateful for the peace and would love that you stay our president and continue to maintain the peace.
Your Excellency, you have heard the people of Karenga gave you 90.5% of the votes, and they have vowed in front of you that come 15th of January 2026, they are ready to lift that percentage from 90 to 99.9%. There is now peace and stability in Karamoja, and this has leveled the ground for development interventions to take place. Your Excellency, we thank you, and most especially the men and women in uniform who were able to sacrifice to remove all the guns in Karamoja.
At one time, these poor youth thought if they go on top of Mount Morungore, that we shall not get there. They thought Morungore was heaven. But we went there and got some of them. So it's good that these people brought me. These youth, I interacted with them. I took many of them to these other parts of Uganda, and when they came, they brought all the others. There was also a priest who was involved. There was a priest, I've forgotten his name.
Father Raphael, Excellency.
Yes, where is he?
It is not here, but it is in Kotido.
Yes. And the cattle rustling was no longer the traditional one for the marriage and so on. It was commercial now. And these people told me that how you know that these are stolen cows, you buy cheaply. If it is your own cow, you bargain. You say, no, give me more, give me more. But the stolen cows, they were just giving very low prices. What sort of country is that? Now I can see here, population is going up. Even Karenga, population is coming up. Because no more death by atom. And then the immunization also. Because atom was eating some and the disease was eating others.
Omwebembezi w'ihanga ekiro yasiba ombicweka ebya Karamoja ari kusherwa akaruru yamanza omu district eya Karenga ahi yashaba obuhagizi abantu ba Karenga na bwanyuma yaza omu district eya Kabongo nayo kweyongerayo kushaba obururu izobe lya nchakare omwebembezi w'ihanga naza kumuraho nka okukukiri then izoba ryo rwo kubanza naza kutandika na district eya Moroto na bwanyuma azo omu district ya Akotido